Hello and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2017 318D M Sport Saloon in Estrol Blue. As you can see, this is a very clean and tidy example and also features a full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit, as well as the wonderful 19-inch 704M BMW alloys, which come all the way around with the premium mixed run flat tyres. You can also see the LED headlamps up the front of the car. We've added the satin side vinyls, and as you can see, a nice clean and tidy example of a very practical yet still very fun and responsive 3 Series saloon. Inside we've got the very nice black Dakota M highlight seats with both the electric lumbar options, as you can see, and they've been kept in really nice condition. So as you can see, you get blue stitching and the 3 tricolour stripes as well, and we've also got the matching aluminum hexagon with Estrol blue accent trim. For rear passengers, you'll find a very spacious and a very comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench there, and again everything is as clean and tidy as it should be. Central folding armrest and our darkened M Sport headlining, of course, and again it's showing you these freshly refurbished 19-inch alloys which suit the Estrol blue colour really well. At the back of the car we've got a satin rear boot spoiler and then a matching rear diffuser. And if you've not yet seen the boot space for the F33 3 Series, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as it is a very deep boot space and goes all the way to the back of the fixed rear seats. Round at the driver's side of this car, you'll be able to see again, it's a very clean and tidy example. If you do of course want to find out some more about the vehicle, I will leave the links for our website in the description for you to take a look at. You can of course also get directly in contact, which again, you'll find all of those links in the description. Now we're sat inside the vehicle, we'll start it up and we can show you around the BMW business and navigation and media screen. As you can see, starting with the sat nav, we've also got a 6-speed manual in this car, for not yet mentioned that one. And again, back to the sat nav, it's a really user-friendly system in this car. We've also got Bluetooth telephone and audio, as well as DAB and all of the other usual refinements which you'd expect to find, including USB, AUX and of course Bluetooth audio. Heading back into the vehicle information screen, again we'll just quickly show you that this vehicle's covered just over 78,000 miles. And across now into vehicle status, where we can check out the service requirements and history. In terms of the next service, it's not due one for 12,000 miles time. And up at service history, you can see there at the first service all the way up to the most recent, which was carried out at 73551. So we've got full BMW service history on this very nice 318D M Sport. So thank you all very much for taking the time to watch this walk around. I do of course hope you found it useful, and again if you would like some more information, all you have to do is follow the links I'll leave for you in the description below. Thank you all very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.